Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the get down.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Panda, say I love you.
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
Cat.
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop. Hey, Bailey, let's show him our new high five. Hey, be nice.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj.
Nikki.
Oh, damn, girl.
We're all out of chicken. Go get the cat. That was some good cat.
Wait.
But first, let me take a selfie.
3, 2, 1, dance. Gorgeous.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.